I recently received the Zemismart Smart Doorbell. The unit on the left with the two buttons on the side is the actual doorbell sounder itself. That plugs into the wall, in this case UK mains. The lower of those two buttons on the left is a volume control. The upper button is a tunes control, and there are a maximum of 48 tunes and sound effects available on the unit. That section in the middle doesn't do anything, it's just visual, it's just for effect, and there's a loudspeaker in there. The middle unit is the battery-free door push. You can push it up or down as you prefer, doesn't make any difference, but there's no batteries in there. It works purely and simply on kinetic energy. On the right there's an adhesive pad. I'll quickly show you the underside of the bell unit there with the speaker grill, and then I'll cut the video and take you over to the unit actually plugged into the wall. And now for some tunes. First of all, I'll just turn the volume up on the bell because it's quite a way away from the microphone here. And then and here, the back of the door push itself. I'm going to stick an adhesive pad on there and then stick that onto the door. I was going to put it on the outside of the house. However, it's going on the inside of my office door because it's soaking wet and freezing cold out there. There it is, it's on the door. Sticks first time, no problem at all. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Zemismart battery-free doorbell. Here we go, any second now. And that's about it.